Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to discuss homework number one for Tabir Singh. So the first homework is exercise 2.6. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay, 2.6, create a HTML document containing an ordered list of 3 items: ice cream, soft serve, frozen yogurt. And I did this right here. And I'm gonna use, we close all the programs. Got a lot of programs running. Actually, that was a program, but me flavors. So this program's running, and I'm gonna use stack Sublime Text, which I haven't registered, and I won't, not yet. Okay, so you start this with doc type HTML head. This is the head. UTF title flavor list, and you'll see the title here, right here. The body, ice cream. So to create an ordered list, OL, ordered list, LI, ice cream, 1, and 2, software serve, frozen yogurt, and then LI, be vanilla, chocolate, cookies and cream, self-explanatory, and OL, ordered list, and UL is the body. And that's the first program. So the second one, create an image, the email link. And I did that here. Pick email. This is working. Once you click on the image, this email. And let's open this. It's basically the same thing. You start out with doc type HTML, and you close the brackets with a slash. And this is the head, which will be the title, image email, and the paragraph. Click on the picture, and this is the link, the href, and the image img src sing.png. And as an alternate, click here to send an email. That's if the image is not detected. There's an alt. Okay, so the next one, 2.8, create an HTML document that contains links to your 5 favorite deals. This is a really good one. I call it 5 links. Let's test this. Groupons. Go back. Living Social, which is another Groupon type website. I need oil change. Travel Zoo. It's working. Slick Deals. This is working. And Deals New. And basically the same thing we started out with: doc type HTML, the meta char set, title, body, P strong. We use the strong, UL unordered list, and then href. This is the hyperlink, and then we close. All right, moving on. I believe it's 2.9. Create an HTML containing an ordered list. Okay, so we're doing basically everything. So I created a different folder, email directory, an example, and let's look at the code. Basically, the code, the same format, the head, the body, doc type. This is how we close. Basically, the strong, H1, which is title, and here's the links. I put them all in one directory. Okay, moving on. Let me close this. I think we're at 2.9 or 14. One of them. No, we just did 9, so we're gonna do 14. So basically, we have to make this. And table 3. Let's look at the code. Basically, the table that we made is 2 rows and a bunch of data with the basically border 2, which is this, 1 row and 2 columns. So 1 row and 2 columns. 2 columns right here, 1 row. And an ordered list basically here. And this is going on one of the columns. And then William Shakespeare. And italic, we use EM. Strong, which means bold. And then the second row, I put comments here. Okay. Camel.png. It's a very simple one. Because these tables get very complex. So the next one we're doing this. This one's simple too. 2 point. Table number 4, which is this. Now we can look at the code for table 4. Basically the same thing. I use the same code pretty much, but for this I use the border one, as you can see, table, and I use a thread. This is the table head, strong, which makes it bold. I t the body, T body. This is the body right here, and this spans into two columns. Footer, and the footer we made it strong because it's bold, and then foot we separated it. Pretty simple, but complex at the same time. So now we're at 2.16, and local university has asked to create a HTML5, basically a form. And let's look at this. Call it campus form. So I made it like name, comment, email address. What did you like? This is a check mark. We can look at the code. So we use these checks, and these checks are type checkbox, label, and then we use this is radio. As you can see, type radio. The difference is the radio, you can only do one. Checkboxes, you can check pretty much all of them, and then additional comments. So moving on. 3.6, chapter 3, exercises. Okay, 3.6, website registration. Pretty much kind of the same thing, but different. Call it college survey. It actually picks up emails, options. The next one is autocomplete. This one they wanted June and July. So it enters search query July with a J, June, search. All right. The next one is days of the week. And this one, it's already fed. Days of the week. We can look up the code and you tag it by data list. Days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So as you can see, it's already stored. Next one, markup. This one I kind of had trouble with, but thank you, Stackflow and HTML, YouTube videos. Now I'm uploading a YouTube video. The irony. Okay, so this one, marquee section, basically like a paragraph. P, paragraph, section, other section. This is how sections are separated. P and H2, autofocus attribute. H2 makes it bold. Other section, validation. This is where you write the paragraph. And then paragraph close section, close. And then the next one is a more modified version. Sing as King. I changed it a little bit. Sing as King. Just I added my picture because it wanted a graphic input. It's pretty much the same thing. And the next one, the last one, last but not least, it's the same thing. They just want you to add a table. Basically, I just added a table. And that's my homework. If you guys enjoyed that, this is my first YouTube video, actually. And I think that's it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna upload it, and this is my homework where I share the screenshots and the code working with the question. The same thing, just basically I laid it out with the code and a picture. Some of them I didn't, but most of them I did. All right.